Welcome back to the channel, my friends and students. So please subscribe the channel and like the video and also share the video and remember to hit the bell icon to get more videos. So let's start the topic. Ever never. How to use it and which position it takes in the sentence. So let's start. First, ever. Ever means at any time. We generally use ever in questions. Let's see the example. Do you ever drink coffee? Have you ever been to Paris? So this is the use of ever. Never, at no time. Let's see the example. He has never visited me. I'll never forget how kind he has been. I never drink tea with milk. Let's see. Never and ever go immediately before the main verb. So where it takes place, never and ever go immediately before the main verb. Exceptions are the verb be and modal verbs can, etc. So these are the exceptions. First we have to see immediately before the main verb. I never eat meat. So it is before the main verb. Eat is the main verb. Do you ever go cycling? It's go is the main verb. I am never late. So here is the model auxiliaries. Model verbs are auxiliaries now. Can, am, etc. So these are the exceptions. I can never remember his name. You should never drink and drive. So these are the exceptions. When speaking about our past, we use the present perfect with ever and never. Let's see the example. What tense we will use? Present perfect. I have never been to America. Have you ever been to America? It was the best wine I have ever tasted. It was the best wine I have ever tasted. So the tense is present perfect here. So this is the topic for today. Hopefully you enjoy it. It is very easy topic, but sometime it may confuse students. So now it's your turn to make some sentences in the comment box and I will wait for your sentences and also I will feedback. So hopefully you enjoy the video and please subscribe the channel also. Hope to see you soon. Take care now.